So if the dial continuously goes up and down, it doesn't go steady, it only means that there is a problem inside the compressor. The flapper valve possibly is already broken. Mga ka-vloggers, welcome po sa akin channel. Sana'y magustuhan po ninyo yung video na ito. Paki-like, share, and subscribe na lang po mga ka-vloggers. Eto na naman po ang aking pinakabagong vlog. Hello everyone. I'm still your friend, ferdiesvlog. But maybe you are wondering why I'm speaking in English, because of so many requests. What they're telling me is they want to understand my videos because they don't have subtitles, or they don't know how to speak in Tagalog, or they cannot understand it. So they're asking me if I can speak in English, but usually I don't really do videos in English because it's very hard. I'm not that fluent in English, so pardon me. I'm already apologizing to you. I'm not that good and that fluent in English, but I will try my best. So for all those people who requested me to speak in English, let's give it a try. So let's go. Let's do it. So first of all, in order for us to see the pressure inside the system, so we need to connect these two to the valves there for the high side and the low side. So, moment, I will do it. First of all, you need to make it sure that they are closed before you put or insert it. So, right now, what I'm gonna do is to insert, make it sure that the valve is rotated upward or counterclockwise. Otherwise, the needle will already push the needle inside of it, and you cannot lock it just like this. So it's already okay. So I can put it already. So it's okay. So I can now rotate it clockwise and see the reading here. Oops. It reads 100. So this what I will tell you is that there is no problem in this car. I'm just trying to demonstrate it to you in English, so people, all the viewers, will understand what I'm trying to say. So also, always I'm mentioning, pardon me if I'm not that fluent in English or speaking in English. I'm not an English instructor, by the way. Okay. Joke. So the low side is connected already. So what I'm gonna do right now is to connect the high pressure one. Always make it sure that the valves are clean. So even by using your hand, or if you have an available rag, much better. So right now, what I will do is to connect it. So pardon me, I don't know how I can put it there without anyone holding my cell phone. Okay, moment. It is very hard without an assistant, you know. Okay, moment. Okay, moment, I'll just get a rug. So right now I have connected the red one, but I haven't rotated clockwise, so the gauge is still not working. Okay, I will show it to you. So I have already connected the red one and the blue one. So the blue one is already working. So the red one, I will it's still in 0 here, huh? So I will rotate it for you, and you can see the high pressure side of this Rebo of ours. Ayan, oh, it's very low, huh? You can see that is the reason why my car is always very cold. It is just some other time I will clean the evaporator, but about Freon there is no problem. So right now what I will do is to start. What I will do is to start it. So what is the reading? So right now the high side reads around 90, and this one is also around 90. So that is the standing pressure of Freon. It's very low, so it's a good kind of Freon. If ever when you put the low side it reaches around 120, 140 already, it's not a good type of Freon. It's high pressure. So before starting the car, you will already distinguish your kind of Freon. Okay? So, okay, let's start it. I will start the car. Okay, I will start the car. Sabi. So right now, I have started already, and I will rotate the camera. As you can see, maybe I will turn off the... As you can see, the high pressure side still doesn't reach 200 psi, so it's a good sign. About the low pressure, right now it's around 60. So now please take a look at the gauges. When I put the idle or the RPM higher, look at the high pressure line. If the pressure goes around 250 up until 300, 400, it means that it is high pressure. But it's only until 200 or 200. Oh. And take a look at the suction line. Because this is a dual AIRCON, so usually dual AIRCON, it reads around 30 to 40, and it will produce cold air inside. And it's a good pressure. So take a look, huh? As you can see, the dial or the arrows, they are only steady. Going back to our topic is how can you distinguish if the compressor is already having a loose compression or a blow-by, what they call it, very easily. So what we're gonna do is to observe the dial here. So if the dial continuously goes up and down, doesn't go steady, it only means that there is a problem inside the compressor. The flapper valve possibly is already broken. The dial is very, very steady, oh? And the high pressure line, oh, is very low. That is the reason why, as you can see, it's very cold in here, oh? It's having some moisture because it's cold. If ever you feel that this is not getting cold or no moisture at all, there is a problem about Freon or a blow-by compressor or anything else. So this is what I'm teaching you. Right now, Look at the arrows, the dial is steady. So, if the dial, especially in the low side, performs up and down, it doesn't go steady, you have a problem about loose compression or blow by or a bad compression or flapper valve problem. So right now, as what I've told you, look at that, even in idle speed, this will not be steady if ever there is a problem with your compressor. It will continuously goes up and down. It only rests like that because the compressor is off right now. It goes automatic because it's cold inside already. If the inside temperature gets warmer, the compressor will engage again. Just observe it. No? See? So with this Revo, the air conditioning system is very good. It's very low pressure, oh. It doesn't even exceed 200 psi. So the system is very good. The compressor is good. So I will say it again. If the dial or the arrows are not steady, going up and down, up and down, up and down. And also, may I add, if ever, even if you turn on the aircon, the arm or the dial or this arrow doesn't move at all, even if you press the accelerator, just like this one, it just doesn't move and doesn't go down from 100, the initial reading. It only means 100% your compressor needs to be replaced if it's blow by or having a loose compression. So right now I will turn off the engine. Just a minute. So for now, just because of our topic, it's just about how could you tell if the compressor needs to be replaced. I think you have understand it already. So for now, what will I say? Just like in Tagalog videos of mine, this is another version, another edition of my vlog. Goodbye, friends.